This video is gonna be something that speaks to very few people. It speaks to a very few select of very few selection of people. And it's okay to be alone sometimes, you know. It's okay to be by yourself, and it's okay not to want to socialize with anyone, you know. And I am this type of person. I would say I'm like a tiger. And if you don't know what I mean by that, I mean I'm someone who likes to be alone. And if I talk a lot, it's only with one person, right? I don't enjoy talking to people. I don't enjoy communicating with people. And one thing that you don't know about me is that when I started this, when I started my personal brand, I didn't like talking I don't like being on camera. I don't like speaking. I just like to be quiet, right? And I had to step outside of my comfort zone. 2026 is the year of this recording, you know, and the the New Year's resolution that I set for myself this year is to get comfortable being uncomfortable. That's why I'm doing this. You know, obviously I'm doing this because it helps me, but one of the reasons I'm able to continue doing this is because I'm being comfortable, being uncomfortable. Right now it's 1:30 a.m. in the morning, early morning hours, and I'm recording this video after recording another one, right? I'm alone right now in my room by myself, and I'm comfortable, and I'm at peace with myself. And if you're someone like that, if you're on your grind and if you're hustling, know that there are other people out there that are just like you. I'm one of them, you know. Just to be in your own space, just to focus on work, not allow anyone to distract you from all the outside things, you know. That's what you should take from this video. Because one thing I know about being alone, you know, there was a time where I used to think that I was weird for wanting to be by myself all the time, you know. Even before I found that one person that I enjoy talking to, like I said before or previously, I found out that I found out that it's normal to be okay to just be by yourself sometimes or all the time. Obviously, I think you should communicate with people. The human species is a very social species, so communicate with people. But what I would say is it's okay to be alone. It's okay to not feel the need to talk to anyone. It's okay to be in your room all the time. It's okay to not want to talk to anyone. It's okay just to be quiet, not even to open your mouth sometimes. It's okay to spend the whole day without talking. And I can say that, and some of you guys might say, that's crazy, that's too much, you know. It's okay. I used to do that, you know. And I was comfortable doing it, and I thought I was weird, and I thought I had ADHD, I thought I had all these, you know, stuff going on, but it wasn't the case. It's just the type of person that I am, to be by myself, you know, to work all the time. I'm building a personal brand right now, and I work 30-hour days, right? I'm someone who helps people make money online. That's my content, and I specifically focus on people in Africa, right? Because that's my niche, that's where I'm from, that's my home. Even though I live in the UK and I make global wealth, I'm helping my people back at home in Africa to make money. Because all around the world, we've got people like TJR, we've got people like Alex Homozy helping everyone. So I'm focusing on my people and helping them. And through doing that, I've been quiet and I've been successful from being quiet. And I'm happy to be quiet, you know. I can show you what I'm looking at right now. This is my laptop screen. Um, Display capture. There, that's what I'm looking at right now. This is my personal brand planning. That's what I'm planning, you know. And I'm doing this silently without talking to anyone else because it's something that I enjoy doing. You know, I've got a coaching call at 8, sorry, no, at 3 p.m. GMT with someone, and I'm going to earn money from that because I'm just silent. And you know what I've noticed about people that like to talk or like to communicate, they often say things that they don't want to say. They often say things that they don't mean. And when you talk to someone like that, you know, someone who's alone most of I'm someone who's alone most of the time, you know, and it's not like I'm forced to be alone. I do it by choice. And when I'm alone most of the time, I see myself talking to people, or I talk to people, and I'm always constantly asking, was what this person saying the truth? Because one thing I've noticed is that the more people that you talk to, the more you realize that what they say doesn't actually mean anything, or what they say that they're not actually saying it because it's genuine to them, you know. Or like I've noticed that so many people go back on their word. They can say something to you, or they can promise something to you, but they end up just not staying true to that promise, you know. And that's one thing I've learned from being alone. Another thing I've learned from being alone is being observant, seeing people's behavior, seeing how they react to things, you know, seeing their patterns when certain things happen in certain situations. You know, that's one thing I've learned from, because when you're quiet, you just like, if someone is talking, obviously I'll show that I'm human, and I'll be like interactive and stuff, but I will be observing them, and I'll just be watching. Okay, this person is doing this person is saying, or they said that. Okay, let's see if they do it. No, they don't do it. And you start doing that with multiple people, and you start realizing that, okay, these people that talk to other people a lot, they often go back on their words. And the people that don't talk as much are the people that say what they really mean, right? Like, I'm someone who doesn't talk a lot, but when I talk, I say something that I really mean. Like me talking in this video, right? Everything that I'm saying in this video was saying something that I really mean. If I was someone who just went and started rambling, you know, I spoke about different things, going off topic and saying different things, you guys you wouldn't be watching this video, right? So I just wanted you to, if you're someone who's alone most of the time by yourself and you're depressed, I'll make a video about depression. That's a whole different topic or different video. But if you're someone who's alone in your room, and you're alone and you're quiet, you're by yourself, you're happy, you're sad, as long as you're by yourself, then I hope you found value from this video. I'm someone who helps Africans or people make money online, like I said before. I make an average of 10K a month, between 10 and 15K a month or so online, doing different things like personal branding, drop shipping, you know, affiliate marketing, so many things, and other things as well. But I'm someone who does that, and I find myself, I'm happy with what I do, and I'm not as close to where I want to be. And through doing all of what I'm saying, all of what I've just said, I'm still a quiet person. I'm still someone who doesn't talk a lot. I only talk when it's necessary. You know, like after I record this video, I'm probably not going to talk for the next 4 hours. I have another video to record after this, but after that video, I'm not going to talk after the next several hours, because there's no need to. I don't need to call people. I don't need to, you know, check up on people. It's just me, you know. But yeah, if you took value from this video, I really hope that you were happy with the advice, not advice, but from what I offered in this video. And yeah, it's okay to be alone. It's okay to be by yourself. It's okay to not feel the need to talk to anyone. I'm that type of person. I don't feel the need to talk to anyone or to communicate with anyone. It's just me by myself, you know. One game, one player, one person, one environment, one world. If you took value from this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, from Africa to the world, let's build wealth. Peace.